BZU is a symbol of academic excellence. I want to congratulate BZU as it is ranked 600 to 800 in Times Higher Education Global Ranking. BZU enjoys second position in Pakistan and joined first position in Punjab. This is 400 points improvement than the last year. BZU has proven that world-class education can be delivered in the South Punjab. I commend the leadership of the Vice Chancellor, faculty and the staff for their untiring commitment in transforming this university into a hub of knowledge and innovation.
We have more than 126 undergrad programs, and out of them 27 are recently introduced. We have more than 70 graduate programs. We have 10 faculties. We have 80 departments, more than 600 faculty members, and 2 sub-campuses. These are the latest rankings of Times Higher Education, one of the most prestigious ranking systems in the world. And as per Times Higher Education ranking system, we have been ranked jointly number 2 in Pakistan. We have been ranked number 1 jointly in Punjab by the Times Higher Education. We have jumped 400 global points from 1000 category to 600 category in the Times Higher Education 2026 rankings. Next.